welcome back to AI Path. In this video, we're going to install Cursor, set it up, and build our very first project with AI. The whole thing takes about 5 minutes. Let's jump in. Step 1, download Cursor. Open your browser and go to cursor.com. You'll see a big download button right on the homepage. Click it, and it'll detect your operating system automatically, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. The download is small and fast. Once it's done, just run the installer. Click next a couple of times and you're in. Oh, and the best part? It's completely free to start. No credit card, no sign-up wall. Now here's the magic moment. When you first open Cursor, it asks, do you want to import your settings from VS Code? If you say yes, it brings over everything. Your extensions, your themes, your keyboard shortcuts, your settings, all of it. One click. Think of it like a moving truck. You've got all your furniture in your old apartment, that's VS Code. The moving truck shows up, loads everything, and drops it in your new place, which is Cursor. Same stuff, better building. And if you've never used VS Code, no worries, just skip this step. Alright, Cursor is open. Let's take a quick look around. On the left, you've got the sidebar. That's your file explorer, search, source control, all the usual stuff. In the center, that's the editor, where you write your code. And at the bottom, there's the terminal, for running commands. Look familiar? That's because Cursor is built on top of VS Code. So everything you already know works here. But here's the thing, Cursor adds a whole AI brain on top. And that changes everything. Let's create our first project. Open the terminal inside Cursor with Ctrl backtick. Then type, dir my project, and then cd my project. Now open that folder in Cursor using File, Open Folder. Or just drag the folder onto the Cursor window. Now let's create a file. Click New File in the sidebar, name it index.html. Boom. You've got a project with a file. Simple as that. Now the fun part. This is where Cursor becomes different from every other code editor. Press Ctrl+L to open the AI chat panel. A chat window slides open on the right. Now just type, create a simple web page with a counter button. Hit Enter. And watch. The AI reads your request, understands what you want, and starts generating the code right there in your file. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything. In seconds. You didn't write a single line of code. You just described what you wanted, and the AI built it. That's the power of Cursor. Before we wrap up, let me show you a couple of important settings. Go to File, then Preferences, then Cursor Settings. Or just press Ctrl, and click on Cursor at the top. Here are the 3 things to check right away. First, Models. Cursor lets you pick which AI model to use. Claude, GPT-4o, Gemini, you choose what works best for you. Second, Tab Autocomplete. This is Cursor's real-time code suggestions as you type. Make sure it's turned on. Third, Privacy Mode. If you're working on sensitive code, you can tell Cursor not to store any of your code on their servers. Good to know it's there. And that's it. Look at what you just did. You downloaded and installed Cursor. You imported your VS Code setup. You created a project. And you built a working web page using just a chat message. All in about 5 minutes. In the next video, we'll go deep into how to actually talk to your code. Inline edits, multi-file changes, using context. That's where Cursor really starts to shine. See you there.